Hello friends, I am Satish sir. Today we are going to learn the text Bholi. It is written by K.A. Abbas. Instead of going line to line through the story Bholi, which is given in Marathi medium 10th standard English course book, I am going to tell you the story in English. This story is about a girl whose name was Bholi. She was the fourth daughter of Ramlal. Her name was Sulekha, but since her childhood, everyone called her Bholi because she was a simple girl. Everyone could deceive her to believe in anything. When she was 10 months old, she had fallen off the cot. She fell on her head. Perhaps some part of her head had damaged. So she remained a backward child. She was the simpleton. When she was born, she was fair and pretty. At the age of 2, she had an attack of smallpox. Entire body was spoiled by black pockmarks. She was not able to speak properly. Other children made fun of her and mimicked her. Poli's family was very rich. Her three brothers had gone to the city to study. Her sisters were Radha, Mangala, and Champa. They were good looking, but Bholi was not beautiful and intelligent. Her father was worried about her marriage. Primary school for girls was open in the village. When the Tahsildar Sahib came for opening ceremony of the school, he forced Ramlal to send Bholi to school. In those days, girls were not sent to school. When Ramlal consulted his wife about sending Bholi to school, she cried, "Are you crazy? If girls go to school, who will marry them?" Finally, both were ready to send Bholi to school because they thought there was little chance of Bholi getting married. Bholi didn't know about school. She was frightened to go to school. Ramla dragged her to school. While going to school, she shouted in terror. She was bathed. She was given old dress of her sister to wear. Ramlal handed over Bholi to headmistress. Headmistress asked Bholi to sit down in a corner of the classroom. After seeing other girls in the class, she hoped that one of these girls might become her friend. She looked at the pictures on the wall and observed them. When teacher came near her and asked her name, she could not tell her name, so she became nervous and started to cry. Other girls laughed at her. In recess, Bholi was sitting in the classroom. She was still crying. When teacher came and asked her, teacher's voice touched her heart. Bholi was never called in this way before. Teacher encouraged her. She treated her lovingly. She gave her confidence. After trying many times, Bholi was able to tell her name. Then teacher gave her a book full of pictures. Bholi was very happy for her success of pronouncing her name properly. Her interest in school increased. Year passed. Village became small town. Primary school became high school. The whole village changed. Ramlal and his wife decided to marry Bholi with Bishambar. Bishambar was a grocer. He was a rich man. He had a big shop, but he was 45 to 50 years old. He was lame. He had the children from his first wife. They were grown up. Bishambar didn't know about Bholi's pockmarks. He was not demanding for dowry. Bholi had listened about her marriage from parents secretly. Ramlal fixed Bholi's marriage with Bishambar. Bholi was not agreed to marry with Bishambar, but could not say no. She couldn't express anything. On the day of wedding, Bishambar came with a big party of friends and relatives for the wedding. After rituals, Bishambar Nath lifted the garland of yellow marigolds. Someone slipped down the silken veil from Bholi's face. Bishambar saw that Bholi had pock marks on her face. He stopped to put garland. Bishambar demanded 5,000 rupees. Ramlal placed his turban at the Bishambar's feet and requested him to marry for the sake of his honor. Ramlal brought 5,000 rupees and gave to bridegroom. Then bridegroom was ready to put garland to Bholi's neck. As Bishambar was going to put garland, Bholi changed. She didn't know Bishambar to put garland. She didn't allow Bishambar to put garland. She refused to marry Bishambar. She threw away the veil. She said, I am not going to marry this man. Ramlal and his relatives were wondered to hear Bholi's words. Ramlal started to talk about his izzat in the village. Bholi told her father she didn't want to marry with a mean, lame, and greedy person. Bholi was firm on her decision. Bholi, who was not able to tell her name, who stammered in childhood, can now speak boldly without stammering. Education had brought tremendous change in her personality. She didn't marry with Bishambar. Bholi said, Pitaji, don't worry. I will serve you and mother, and I will teach in the same school where I learned so much. All teachers were very happy to see change Bholi. Friends, this story is about the old custom of getting married girls without knowing their opinions. This story also tells us message about how education brings change in humans' life. It also tells us about dowry system. This story also teaches us importance of woman empowerment. So please read the story again and again. Find meanings of difficult words from dictionary. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.